you had to spin two balls on the same finger at the same time, how would you do it? I'm going to show you. It's very interesting. One on top of the other one. That's exactly what I'm going to do. They're going to occupy the same point mass in space, proving Newton's third law of legislative physics. For every affirmative action, there's an equal and opposite reactionary. Now, here's what's going to happen. I'm going to place the smaller orb on my foot, spin the big one on my finger, kick the small one into the air in a parabolic arc. When it gets to the vertex of its flight, there's a nanosecond where the ball is weightless and has zero vertical component. At that moment, when the ball stops moving, I place the more massive orb underneath which, having a greater moment of inertia due to the cross product of its planar vectors, sustains angular momentum as I strike a John Travolta disco pose. Everyone's going to get down on their knees and go, "We're not worthy!" How many of you think that trigonometry is something you get from eating undercooked pork? You don't think I can do this, do you?
Okay.
Let me explain something. Someday I'm going to be famous. And people are going to walk up to Michael Douglas and say, "Hey, you look like Dan Bennett." I have learned from the cost-benefit analysis, and I have done my market research. Before this, I actually used to sell no soliciting signs door to door.